Hey viewers, reading long PDFs or sitting through boring PowerPoints can be a real drag. But what if you could turn those documents into fun quizzes or flashcards instantly? Let me show you how to do that using Sider.ai. First, open your browser and type in Sider.ai. Let's dive in. Once you're here, log in with your account. You'll find the profile section in the bottom left corner. Click it and sign in. Only after signing in will you get your daily credits. On the left sidebar, you'll find your chat history. Or from the top, you can start a new chat or deep research, just like we explored in the last video. Just click on any previous chat or start a deep research session. That's how we unlock the gamified features. Now from the left sidebar, click on Files or Create New File. This will take you to the WiseBase page. Here you'll see a list of internal chats. Scroll down the sidebar and click on Gamify. Here we get to choose between gamified learning and interactive reading. Gamified learning. Learn by playing. It's about discovering concepts through interactive demos. Interactive reading. More structured. It highlights key formulas, data, and conclusions for easier analysis. You can even click Example to get a better idea of how each works. Once you click Example, a pop-up opens with a live simulation. You can slide through the controls to see real-time environmental data, like water flow, traffic, or even stars in the sky. Super cool way to explore stuff interactively. After checking out the example, let's try it ourselves. First, click the Add File button. Here you can upload your own file. You can explore inside it, whether it's a web page, a PDF, or even a PowerPoint. Super handy for learning your own stuff interactively. Once you're done uploading, your PowerPoint will show up right here. I made one on how AI is evolving and what areas it could impact. After uploading, you'll see it listed here as original content, ready for interactive learning or analysis. Over here in the sidebar, we can actually chat with the PowerPoint. Super cool, right? Using Sider, you can ask questions, get suggestions, or even ask for ways to enhance or improve your slides. Total game changer for quick edits or upgrades. Here we can also use deep research to analyze and synthesize data into well-cited, insightful outputs. You can even switch GPT models if needed, but for now, we're going to skip this part and not dive into it. You can also add your own notes or check out the existing AI-generated ones. For example, you can see them right here. Plus, you can even chat with the notes directly, or ask the AI to write a new one for you. All right, now we're jumping back to the main feature, the gamified part. At the top left, you'll see two tabs, Original and Gamified. Go ahead and select Gamified. Once that's done, you'll get to experience everything through the simulation view. Here, you can adjust the sliders, like increasing computing power growth or reducing global investment. As you tweak them, the graphs and data update in real time to reflect those changes. It's super interactive and makes learning way easier and more fun. If you scroll down more, you'll find key insights from the simulation highlighted with eye-catching colors, making it way easier and more fun to read. Below that, there's a text section called Understanding the Model that explains everything in detail. Inside, there are more options like parameter impact analysis, development timeline, risks, and governance, all pulled from our PPT. You can check drafts on economic impact and workforce transformation, showing how many jobs get automated and what new jobs might appear. If we jump to impact analysis, we can see development timelines for the next 5 years, 15 years, and even long-term projections. It's super interesting to learn this way. Switching to risk and governance, you get a risk assessment, like AI bias, privacy issues, and autonomy concerns. It also shows how governance impacts these areas. Plan your next tour using insights gained from this one. This tool's honestly a game changer, perfect for students, researchers, educators, even teams doing internal training. Sider transforms any doc into an interactive learning experience. Try it once, and trust me, you won't want to go back to boring, passive reading again. Until the next video, or part 3, stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed.